The latest State of Agile report has really interesting findings. Agile adaptation in software teams increased from 37% in 2020 to 86% in 2021. Also, Agile adoption in non-IT teams doubled from 2020 to 2021. This is a great news. The report also indicates barriers to adopting Agile. And one of the main barriers to adopting Agile is unwillingness to admit mistakes and learn from them. Unwillingness to admit mistakes and learn from them. This is related to psychological safety, a work environment where employees feel free to express their questions, concerns, ideas, and mistakes. Without psychological safety, we cannot work in an agile manner, innovate, and add value to our customers. eXperience Agile Week is a very unique conference in Lisbon, Portugal, and it brings together some of the world's leading experts on Agile. Some of the speakers include Steve Denning and Rita McGrath. In this conference, you can also attend my workshop on psychological safety. It will be on September 26th at eXperience Agile Week in Lisbon. I cannot wait to see you there. Bye.